Today I decided to review the top 5 best baking dish brands in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I trying to list them based on that price, quality, durability and more. So let's get started with the video. At number 1. Pyrex. Rectangular baking dish. Pyrex bakeware is durable, transparent for easy monitoring of baking progress and provides good heat conduction for even, consistent baking. There's no substitute for Pyrex bakeware, the original glass bakeware 15-inch, 10-inch, 2-inch rectangular baking dish. Glass won't leach odors or metallic tastes into food. Safe for oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher. Number 2. Emile Henry. Made of all natural materials. High-fired burgundy clay using Emile Henry's HR ceramic, high resistance. Superior heat retention. Burgundy clay has superior even heat diffusion and heat retention properties. It keeps food hot on the table longer. Resistant against temperature change. For use in the oven up to 520 degrees Fahrenheit. Oven, broiler, and microwave safe, can go directly from freezer or refrigerator to a hot oven, to table. Durable and scratch resistant. Extremely hard glaze does not scratch and does not craze. Durable for everyday use. The highly resistant glaze is ideal in the kitchen for making delicious meals and desserts. Easy to clean. Dishwasher safe or hand wash with soap and water. Number 3. Krokori. Bakeware features unique wavy pattern design and bright color for easy daily use. Classical and remarkable display can be a charming decoration in your table and kitchen. Environmental friendly, long-lasting color and easy cleanup, the baking dishes are made of high quality and eco-friendly glaze. Odor-free hybrid ceramic resists flaking or chipping, long-lasting and offer unique baked good experience and very easy cleanup. Durable and safety under high temperature. This baking pan is made of durable, high-temperature material, oven-safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It can be used in the oven, microwave, refrigerator and dishwasher. Multifunctional. Baking tray is suitable for pizza, bread, lasagna, spaghetti, chicken, meat, beef, roasting, vegetables, storing and reheating leftovers and etc. Number 4. Grasslands Road. Gift boxed. Stoneware, oven, microwave, dishwasher safe. Irish soda bread high gloss finish with relief pattern Celtic knotting. Number 5. Hick Herald Import Co. Oval au gratin baking dishes for baking and serving au gratin recipes and other casserole and single serving recipes. Made from fine quality porcelain. Beautifully designed with flared handles on both sides for easy handling into and out of the oven. Great for potato au gratin, scalloped potatoes, pot pie, shepherd's pie, even baked mac and cheese. Durable, versatile, microwave, oven, broiler, freezer and dishwasher safe. So if you're looking for quality and price, then this would be the perfect option for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about these baking dish, you can check out the links in the description and the comments section below, and if you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.